Hi, this is Morgan from period 3 physics class in Mammoth High School. We conducted an experiment lately on how to measure the force of gravity or the acceleration of gravity on a tennis ball. So what we did was we went outside close to our school and we used a ball and we dropped it around a meter distance. And what we expect to find is 9.8 meters per second squared. But did we? We did not know until after we did our calculations if we found this. Here's our video. First, go at it. You might. Hold on. The video going, and we'll play that through again once for you.
Go.
And from that height, we tested all. We went through and we looked at all the points on this meter stick right there, and from the ball that was dropped by this guy right there, Ben, and we went through it on our iPad that we're now using to talk about everything. And so when we looked at our graph with all of our data points, we found this line. Now this line is fairly accurate to what we're looking for, and we're pretty excited actually because the last couple experiments we've done really didn't have this type of input. And then when we went into our graphing calculators, we did a linear regression right there, if you could see that, and we got a number that we weren't really expecting because we had such a good line, but I guess we should have expected it. We got negative 7.31. Or 3.2, whatever you want to say. This is close. We're looking for negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So when we got this, we were like, I wonder what happened. And we decided that it wasn't so much as our camera that we used didn't have enough frames per second, so that we weren't getting enough camera pictures that was taking for us to be accurate. So for us to be more accurate, we would have to take more pictures with our camera while we're videoing. So we might have to do this experiment again in the near future with a more frames per second camera, such as a GoPro or whatever cameras exist that have more frames that we could get our hands on. But this is our end result right there, and that's what we were expecting. And we're still fairly close from that, so we'll see you next time if we do another one for this subject.